Here is a website that you can use called Quick Draw. It's created by Google, and this is a Google art game where the computer or artificial intelligence will challenge you to draw something different in 20 seconds. What you need to do is click on the website to get here, and then you can work with a partner or you can work alone and see if you can challenge the artificial intelligence. Let's take a look. So first it's telling me draw a spider. So you have 20 seconds to draw a spider.
I see moon.
What
Or
else?
circle.
It's going to start to guess what you're drawing.
I see frying pan. Or watermelon. Oh, I know. It's spider.
Then you'll move on to the next one. You have 6 drawings, and again, you have 20
I
seconds
see
to do it.
line. Or garden hose. Or belt. Oh, I know. It's toothbrush.
You get the point. Just keep going. See if you can challenge the
I see
computer.
garden hose. Or anvil. Or bench. Oh, I know. It's crocodile. I see line. Or keyboard. Or belt. Or eyeglasses. Oh, I know. It's flashlight.
When you're done playing, you can, again, play with your partner, see if they can stump them, or whoever wins first is the winner. But just have fun with this game, see what you can do.